Hi everyone, this is Sandeep, and I'm going to do try something different in terms of video communication. Till now, you might have heard a lot about movie reviews, right, on the videos. But I'm trying to review something about research, PhD, and your career after that. As it has been portrayed by many, not all, but by many, that on the social media platform, that PhD is actually not a very positive thing, and I've seen many getting discouraged. The juniors who are trying to join for PhD. Depending on some view from someone, some random comment. Of course, those comments might not be wrong. They might be having some negative experiences, but I feel that at some point we do need to spread some positivity. And from my experience, I had both negative and positive. But the negative experiences which I had finally turned out to be an experience which actually plays a big role in anyone's life. So, during the last 6 7 years, I've been associated with research, and during my 5 years of PhD, I'm sure all of us has experienced the same. Probably only 1 year is research related, experimental, computational, theoretical work, reading literature, writing a thesis, writing a paper. And apart from that, the rest of the 4 years is probably administrative work, probably you're arranging for experimental setups, running out for characterization if your university, your institute doesn't have the facility, as in my case, watching movies, doing Facebook, and listening to your guide, and a lot of complaints. And what I've seen is everybody's complaining, right, against the guide, against the degree, against the institute. But at some point, these are all negative aspects. What about the positive aspects? So these lectures or these ideas that I'm going to share with you all, of course, I don't have that much of experience, and I'm sure that many are there who will be listening to this who is having far more experience than me. But let me try to share this because it might benefit some. Some of you might think, okay, you can add something to it. So I'm going to do that. I'm also going to discuss about the coursework, research methodology. I'm also going to discuss about how actually to approach your research. We're also going to talk about uh, the life or the job prospects after research. Is it that dull? It looks like that. I don't think so personally, but of course I might be wrong. But if we don't talk about it, probably we won't be very clear about it. So we need to talk about that. So looking at the response, I'll definitely try to proceed and give more ideas about PhD. No, that's very important. Signing off for now.